Hi, to turn on fast charging on your Redmi Note 13, just open phone settings, and here you need to find the stop battery because usually this feature is placed here. Now we need to find and choose charging options, and after that you should see this one section, wired charging mode. If you tap it, you'll be able to enable fast charging, which is speed up here, so just tap it. And now fast charging is activated. So basically, let me take my USB-C cable and plug it in the phone. You should receive this information: quick charging after you enabled fast charging option. And if you would like to disable fast charging, just go back in the setting and now switch to standard option. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.